Nilinaw ni Senate Secretary at Impeachment Clerk of Court Attorney Renato Bantog Jr. na purely administrative lamang ang pagdalaw ni OVP o Office of the Vice President Chief of Staff Attorney Zulaika Lopez sa Senado ngayong Huwebes. Ayon kay Senate Secretary at Impeachment Clerk of Court Attorney Renato Bantog Jr., walang napag-usapan kaugnay ng nagpapatuloy na impeachment trial laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa pagdalaw ni Attorney Lopez. Sa halip-an niya, sinabi ni Bantog na ang naging usapan ay tungkol lamang sa mga logistical at administrative arrangement para sa nakatakdang pagharap ni Attorney Lopez bilang testigo sa susunod na linggo. Paliwanag pa ni Bantog na doon umano sa holding area ay pwede siyang magdala ng kanyang sariling kagamitan gaya ng coffee maker, maging refrigerator at iba pa. Ipinapakita umano nito na ang naging koordinasyon ay nakatuon lamang sa mga pangangailangan sa holding area at hindi sa anumang usapin kaugnay ng nilalaman o takbo ng impeachment trial.
Purely administrative, like ilan daw ba ang guest na pwede lang, ilang seats ang pwede ma-allocate ng Senate sa guest ng defense. Sabi ko, we previously communicated with the defense panel that they have 45 seats. So we just clarified the procedure, no? So that was the first question. The second was, doon sa holding area, can they bring in their own equipment? Of course. They asked if they can bring in a refrigerator, a coffee maker. Sabi ko, yes. And then whether they can engage their own caterer. So, yes. So, yun lang naman ang housekeeping, administrative, nothing to do with my clerk of court duties. It was me meeting them more as a secretary of the Senate to the Chief of Staff of the Office of the Vice President, rather than an impeachment court matter. Nothing about the case was discussed. Again, it was purely housekeeping, purely administrative.
Matatandang ipinasabina ng impeachment court si Attorney Lopez upang tumistigo sa pagpapatuloy ng paglilitis laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Pilipinas mula sa Senado, Silvestre Rambulabay, Radyo Kayo Manggi.